Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech with Tata. In this week's episode, I'm going to be walking you guys through my understanding of the service WordPress, what it is and how it's used, and then we're going to walk through making a website using WordPress. So the first thing that I learned through this process and making this project that I thought was extremely interesting is that WordPress now powers 40% of the world's websites, which is pretty impressive when you think about it. There's so many websites out there, so many government official businesses, corporate websites are run off of the WordPress system. So it's definitely something as an IST major, minor, or any student within the world of computer science and coding should be familiar with. So in order to make a WordPress website, the first thing that you need to do is you need to find a hosting client. So as we mentioned in weeks past, the Reclaim Cloud system is really beneficial for this. It only charges you based off of what you use rather than a fixed cost, which is why Reclaim is pretty likable. But I have a WordPress standalone kit already installed onto my Reclaim, but the way I did this is I just went into the marketplace and I went to the content management tab and I went to the WordPress standalone kit and installed it. So just for the sake of time, I'm not going to have you guys watch me install that whole thing. But once it's up and running, you go to this link right here and it will show you just a blank template of the website that you're kind of given through the Reclaim Cloud dashboard. And I'm going to go in and edit it now. One thing I would like to note is in order to edit it, you need to bring up your admin panel. And the way that you initially log into this admin panel is make sure you don't make the same mistake I did. Make sure you check your junk or spam folders in your email. Reclaim is going to automatically send you that username and password to log in that it generates, not you. And you need that. It's important information in order to log in to do the administrative access. So just make sure that you do that. And I'll be right back. I'm going to edit all the pages and then explain how I did it. One thing I also want to mention before kind of diving into each page customization is the plugin feature of WordPress. This is kind of where WordPress, I think, is very helpful when you're developing a website. It's very easy to search any plugin and install it and apply it to your website. So in here I have Lightspeed Catch and this Ultimate Add-ons by Gutenberg. Those are the two important ones that I want to point out because this Lightspeed Catch will allow me to make a shopping cart feature within WordPress, which is, again, for like the merch aspect of the website. And then this Gutenberg add-on is kind of just making it easier to create your content, edit your content in blocks. So it's just easier to design overall. But with that being said, let me launch into Pages. Hold on a second. So one of the things that's definitely a little bit more complicated about this is actually the editing part and making sure that it all makes sense with your storefront. So I installed a plugin that was extremely helpful called BigCommerce, which kind of automatically does all of that troubling stuff for you. So it creates a shopping, shipping and returns page, cart, and everything like that. But if you go to shopping, you can see that I added the laptop sticker, hoodie, t-shirt, and there's add to cart buttons. These are all extremely helpful, and you'll notice that a lot more just popped up as soon as I clicked on it because it relogged me in to my WordPress. This is from the admin's perspective. You can see like addresses and like where people are trying to ship your products. So it's super helpful if you're like trying to design some type of online platform for creating a shop. And then from the back end, just to kind of show you guys what it looks like on the WordPress side, using the plugin of BigCommerce, you're able to edit your products in here. And then you're also able to edit your pages on the Pages tab. And again, everything is right here and it's extremely straightforward once you install that plugin. So order history, contact us. You can see like I edited the contact us page by just clicking on it. It comes right up with WordPress's website and you can kind of just like add anything you want here. So just to give you one last brief rundown, I am going to go to my unpublished page or trash. Pretty sure that I have my YouTube video in here, so I'm going to restore it really quick. But if I show you, say I want to show like this YouTube video, and I want to have like a page for it specifically on my website, you're going to just go in here and edit the texts. So you can say, here's my YouTube video. And after I upload this video, I'm going to insert the link there, and then I click publish. And then I can view the page on my actual website under my YouTube video, and it comes right here. So again, WordPress is an extremely helpful source, and I hope that this video hopefully acclimated you a little bit more with how to use it and all of its different amazing plugins. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys.